Hey everyone, today we're gonna do Natasha Denona shadows. I heard that they're not difficult to depot because they're magnetic already or something. Let me check by poking a hole at the end and wiggling it. See what I mean? But there is adhesive there. They are easy to depot, but her stuff's fragile too, so you want to be careful. Like if you're worried, like if it's your first time to depot something and also something not cheap, always put your finger on the bed, on the pan before you wiggle. And I see like it's starting to crack, so I'm not gonna force the issue. The best way is still to add heat. But the adhesive is so small, I'm pretty sure that this will go fast, okay? So what we need is a weeding tool. I like it to get into corners. See, like the bed is rectangular, but the pans are rounded, so it allows me to go in there. That's the movement you want to see. That's great. This one, you hear it? Not budging at all. So don't force it. Just turn on your Z-Potter. Put it to number 3. Some palettes I will go number 4, but this one is, I'll just do with 3. Another thing to do is always keep your station clean. Obviously I've sanitized, I have surface sanitizer, I have a hand sanitizer, I have makeup remover spray, but I only use it on the scraper to remove the glue from the back of the pan. And obviously paper towel. I need a new one here. These are all Viva or Kleenex tops, but these are the paper towels I like because they don't leave lint. And you don't want lint, especially around your makeup or if you're working especially with creams. Ew. Now this is the container that has some of my other tools. So I put this here, put this there. Sometimes I'll have to use a glove for when it gets so hot and I cannot touch it. Then I'll put gloves on. So let's see if she's ready. Once again, go to a corner, lift. Now it's good to face them down, to have them face down, because that way you can check if there's adhesive. If there's adhesive left, take it out. And then if it doesn't stick to magnet, attach some, what do you call that? Metal discs, like so. So this ones I'm gonna leave alone. I think they're fine. But like I said, it's hot, so be careful. Now let's see this one. Just start working. Oh, this is what they meant about Natasha Denona being magnetized. So this is the Viva palette. Oh, that fell out of the pan. I don't like that, but we can fix that. Except it's messy, but we can fix it. There's hope, don't worry. Go back in there and just press it. I wish my glue gun would arrive. I ordered some and it's same day delivery, but yeah, granted I ordered at 4:15. So I wonder what time it will come. So for this surface like that, just use a makeup wipe. I don't like a dirty surface, even though it's like acceptable when you're depotting. I just personally, I can't stand the way it looks. Okay, let's check back on this one. Ah, see what I mean? Crumbly. But that's the problem with Natasha Denona stuff. They're so soft and buttery, and these things happen. It's like Viseart sometimes. The really high quality ones sometimes are very fragile, just because they're so they're pressed. They're not, I don't know what it's called, but they're like triple pressed or something. So just put a clean paper towel on top and then just press it. See how soft it is? The more you press, it overflows on the side. So do more of a press where like you're checking someone's pulse and not doing a Thai massage. That's better. Ta-da! Okay. And then another thing to have, another good thing to have is, ooh, hot. A temporary surface for your shades. So this is the lid of an IKEA bin. I'm just putting stuff here so I can gauge how big a palette I'm gonna need later. Or if I have to take shades out because there's an identical shade, then that's what I'll do. I think I'm not gonna use heat on the others. Let me check first to be sure. That way I can turn this off. Let's see if she's stubborn. Oh, they're all magnetized. Perfect. Now I can just turn it off. Yay. That's brilliant. I love that. Okay, let's move on. See how easy it is? So just have your temporary palette there. Wait, let me clean again. It's not dirt, it's just makeup. I have to keep telling myself. I'm just so paranoid. I've seen a lot of people do this and it's so dirty and it stresses me out. Or like you see their kids when they arrive and it's already messy and like, how did this happen? I mean, going home might be more acceptable, but coming in and then they're gonna clean their brushes there, it means like they used it previously and I don't know, they don't want to wash brushes or bring extra, I don't know. But that's not my problem. You can't say anything, but you just have to stay in your lane, make sure you're sanitary, and then that's it. That's how you keep your job. If the client's not complaining, neither should you. Don't badmouth people on set. Don't rat on them. Unless it's really like life-threatening, you know. That's an entirely different story. But, you know, for the most part, stay in your lane. I know artists use mascaras from the wands, lip glosses from, I think it's gross, but we don't know the story behind it, because I personally will do that directly from the lip glosses and mascara, but I give it to the client. I don't care how expensive it gets. I just prefer to not use disposables. Also, that's why I always buy mini ones, or those samples like the Sephora. They'll have the best of mascara, you know, stuff like that, then I'll buy that. Then you'll have like 10 mascaras in there. Also, a lot of celebrity makeup artists, they don't bother with disposables, but they also include it in their price. They just give it to the client. For me, example, I have personal clients, right? So what I do is I already have curated a makeup kit for them. So everything in that kit belongs to them except foundation. So that's all I have to bring, is that shade for that one person, the kit for that one person, which sometimes I even leave in their house. That way I really don't have to bring anything. I even curate them a hair kit and buy them tools. I'm that type of artist. I'm really lazy, but I have some clients who don't like to keep things in their house, or I don't trust them to clean their brushes, so I bring their brushes home and their makeup home, and I just bring that when I need to go there, but I charge them for storing it and cleaning it. But yeah, there's so many things makeup artists can do. But see, having brushes like that, then you already charge them for the brushes, which means you don't have to clean it every single time you use it on them, because it's their face. But at the same time, there's no confusion. Like, you already know, oh, this only goes on this person's face. And it's just so sanitary. I know not everyone can afford that setup. I get it. But that's why I said, like, don't comment on people online, especially if they're celebrity makeup artists, because you never know the story. It could be their brush, it could be their makeup that the makeup artist is using. No need to bash and then post it on Facebook groups. It's just tacky. Mind your own business. Make sure you're clean and not spreading germs, and then that's all you can do. You just have to pray that people are being sanitary, or always offer that service to your clients you've had forever. Offer them this service. Make them their own makeup kit, including brushes. Then you don't have to clean so much. Then you don't have to carry disposables. You can even leave them in their house if they allow it. Then life's just better, and your back will thank you. Oh my God, they're so easy. I love it. Okay, so that's done. That's 3 palettes of Natasha Denona. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Okay, bye.